crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with this beautiful die set. It's called Gifting Bow and it's part of the Merry Moment collection. I think this one is not. I think this one is from another another collection, the Better Press. But this one is definitely part of the Merry Moment collection. This beautiful embossing folder that is called Christmas Cameo, and I'm gonna get some inspiration for my card from the DIY ColorDeck from Spellbinders as well. And I'm gonna use this particular card that is adorable and part of the latest one, the latest Christmas pack. There are 12 lovely images, and I'm gonna use this one. Let's go, nice color. I think I choose classic white, and then there is saffron and carrot, and then I think that is cranberry, and that is fern. So really pretty Christmas color. Apart the yellow, maybe, I don't know, yellow orange, but I thought it would be a nice touch. So I'm gonna use that card, but there is quite a few others that are quite nice that I'm gonna use in future projects. Some of them I already used for some project. You saw them already, but look at pretty that one. Okay, so let me put them away, and let's make a card with this. I'm using as well, I forgot to mention, this embossing folder that is called Postage 3D Emboss and Cut. That is part of the Holiday Magic collection. So I die cut the little arch one in red, and the bigger in red and the smaller one inside in white. And I'm just gonna layer them together. It's so cool. That's the first time I've got one of these embossing folder that can emboss and cut as well, and they're super cool. There you go. I'm just gonna attach it right in the center. Oh, by the way, guys, you're probably all aware, but there is a mega sale at the moment at Spellbinders. So if you looking to purchase something on a, if you happy with a deal, then have a look. I'm gonna list it below. So if you want to use my affiliated link, I would be very grateful. You don't have to, of course, but I will list it below. On the giftable die set, there is this beautiful poinsettia that I die cut in cranberries, and the center I die cut in sparkly gold, in glitter gold, from the treasure cardstock. And this is the berry branch, and is a layer one. So I die cut in fern, and then I'm layered the middle layer in sparkly gold again, and now the last bit in cranberries for my berries. And look, they look precious. There you go. I think I should speed up a bit this process, shouldn't I? Oh, the kit come with the two tiny ornament. They're super sweet, and there is some berries that I'm just gonna glue together. I think I need to something to remove the center of that. Did I die cut? Ah, this one is for the ornament. Yes. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so it's a bit more clear. They're super cute. I die cut them in carrot and saffron. just to match the color of my inspiration color. And now you can, there is this bit that you can layer 3 little berries together. There you go, and the last one, like that. A cuter day. There you go. Now I think I've got all my element glued together, unless no, I forgot the bow. Let's layer the bow like that. Again, I use the silver glitter cardstock that I think is super pretty. This one is the to hang my ornament. There you go. I'm gonna attach it directly now. Or at least I think it's for that. I didn't see any other use for this, so I'm assuming that's what they are. Okay, I'm gonna glue them together as well. So it's kind of easier to position them after. There you go. Perfect. Okay, now should be everything dry. And I'm gonna do a little bit of ink blending, not too much, just a tiny bit to give a bit of variation of color between the greens. So I'm going, so they're all the cutting fern, but I'm using, I think it's pine needles. That I think was appropriate as a color. And now I'm just gonna try to find the right position for them. I'm gonna speed up a little bit the video, otherwise I'm gonna stay here till tomorrow. I'm just gonna glue down my cute little ornament first. Now I'm just gonna trim the excess with a pair of scissors. And now it's time to glue down all my little elements. My pine needles, branches. There you go. A couple on one side, one on the other. And now all the berries and the beautiful poinsettia. What do you call it? Do you call it differently? Is poinsettia correctly or not? I don't know. Oh, I'll just add a tiny bit of ink blend on that one, just to give a bit of variation. There you go. And now I decide to pop up my poinsettia a little bit with one foam square. And I want to do the same for the bow, but it's super small, so I had to cut my my foam square in two. There we go. One last leaf over there. And now I'm gonna use the emboss panel with the beautiful Christmas cameo, and I'm just gonna put some foam square at the back. It's a double side sticky double side tape attached to it, so that's it. It matched with the bow actually quite nicely. Now again, to have even more volume, I'm just gonna add the more foam square at the back of my focal point. There you go. Remove the release paper, and this is ready to be centered. I'm gonna eyeball it because that's what I do. I think it's okay, hopefully. Yeah, just gluing down, and now what I'm missing is just the sentiment. Oh no, sorry. I'm gonna add a couple of gems first. I think I forgot about the sentiments at this point. I'm not even sure I put a sentiment. Hopefully I did. There you go. Just gonna add a couple of crystal mix gems just for a little bit of sparkle here and there. Just 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Very good. Odd number. That's where it was. That was the rule. Now, if I can, I'll put it back then. There you go. And now I put in the sentiments. Those one are, I think, from the Mary. No, Mary. Don't remember, another collection, the beautiful Better Press Sentiment. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if I'm gluing down or I'm gonna add some very thin, oh yeah, I add some bits of foam square in one side because, yeah, for the dimension, and the rest just glue down. Yeah, that's what I did. You can see. And this one said a very simple season greetings, but I think it's super elegant. There we go. Yeah, straight, unbelievable. Well done. And that's it. And the card is done. And I think it's very cute. I really like it. And thank you so much for watching. I will list everything that I remember down below. The whole collection and what I used today. Have a wonderful rest of the day and see you next time. Bye!